Delicious crabs.
Well, if Dad gets electrocuted, you can still come live with us because Mom can't take care of
No, listen here.
Where's my
Nothing's happened here for another 4 years.
In the middle of eating salad.
We need that
No, I
pension.
came down.
All right, so we'll put them on life support. We'll
Johnny?
put them outside in the backyard and freeze them.
Where did you all
Jonathan, age, how old are you, John? Age 12?
11.
Age 11? Using his ninja talents? Doesn't even hurt?
Take the rest of this glass off. No, wait. They're going to crack.
It's Christmas time again. Beautiful time. Christmas time. That's it. That's what you needed. A new toy for Christmas.
Yep. Yeah. Bruno, now let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. If something happens to me, Uncle Anthony, we joke. One of my kids never gonna celebrate Christmas. Okay, I love you, Pop. I can't believe it, Joe. You who are always with children.
There's a chandelier that almost ruined Christmas. Almost fell on our lovely, lovely dinner. There's Jody.
Christmas 95.
The fingerprints are there. We found a glove. He's got blood. He's got DNA. Father, I'm good.
What are you filming? Cookies?
A little bit of the cookie film.
Change from this.
Jumping cookies. Become complete. Become.
We'll get up and do it. James, what are you filming?
I'm filming you now.
Who's at 11? What?
Charles is new car. Whoa now. Hey now. Hey now, that thing goes high speed. Coming down, they always do a holiday foot shot. It's a beautiful foot, thank you.
Just leave me alone.
There she is, resting quietly while the camera pans in and out. His name is Tony. It's Tony versus Jonathan.